Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get these space buns. I posted a picture on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago, or like a week ago, and I got a lot of questions on how to do it, so I figured I would just make a video showing you guys how I achieve it. So if you want to see this video, you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so what you will need to achieve this look is a rat tail comb, any kind will do, some hairspray, any kind will do, 2 rubber bands, any kind, really just something that's going to hold your hair up and not like fall, something that's strong enough to hold your hair up. And I'm using this like soft brush to smooth out my hair and smooth out the bumps and stuff, a regular brush to brush your hair out, and some clips. One is fine. And yeah, that's basically it. So it's super easy, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so first step is I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. You can part it wherever you like. I like to do it down the middle. If I'm looking up, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. And then I just follow it in the back. And I kind of just feel around to see, you know, which side has more hair. Usually I do a pretty good job because I can't see back there. Okay, once your hair is parted to the way you like it, take one side completely out of the way and clip it so you can work on this side. Make sure this is brushed out. Okay. Now I'm going to put it up in a ponytail, so I'll just take this side like this. And sometimes I like to do it bumpy, sometimes I like to really slick it back. It just kind of depends on my mood. Today I'll just slick it back, and if it has bumps, it has bumps, that's okay. I'm using my comb just to get all the hair gathered up. Okay, so this is an important part. Wherever you place the ponytail is where the bun is going to sit on your head. So I like to place mine pretty far back, not too forward, not too back, but like right on the crown of my head. And I like it to be kind of close to my part. You don't have to do it like this. You can place them wherever you want, but I like it to sit kind of like right there. Okay. So then now that one's out of the way, and I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing. Make sure that it's even with the other ponytail. And you should have 2 ponytails like this. Can you see? Well, I feel like this is a look too. Just kidding. I do my daughter's hair like this all the time. Okay. So once your hair's in these ponytails, kind of just brush out the ponytails a little bit. I don't know if I mentioned that you need bobby pins, but you need bobby pins. So, okay. Depending on how full you want your buns to be and how much hair you have, there's different things that you can do to make them more full. I don't have a ton of hair, but I have enough hair to all I usually do is just take my ponytail and tease it a little bit, tease the hair so it gives it some volume. You can put like texturizing spray or texturizing powder in the ponytails to make them fuller, but I'm usually pretty lazy when I'm doing this hairstyle, so I don't really mess around with that too much. I just tease it to make it a little poofy. Okay, let's start on this side. Next thing I do is I gather it and I start from the ends like this, and I make kind of a loose twist. And if you want, you can like pull some of the hair out, like, you know, make it looser. And then I just start to wrap it around the ponytail like this. Okay, so once I do like the first wrap, I'll take a bobby pin. Let me see if I can get this better. I'll take a bobby pin and stick it in there somewhere. Then I'll keep twisting, keep it twisted, and then here's the end of it. And you're not gonna be able to see the rubber band, which is cool about this hairstyle. Basically, you just start pinning the bun in place. It's really easy. And I use about 4 bobby pins per bun, so it's not too much. And I kind of like my buns big, so. And if you don't, that's fine. Just make the twist tighter and don't loosen it, and it'll be smaller. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. I just kind of like to play with it and like pull out, loosen some pieces. Okay, one side done. Now we're doing the same to the other side. Mine are almost touching. I kind of like it like that. I don't like them too far apart like that. I don't really like it like that. I like them kind of touching. I don't know why. So yeah, that's it. And just play with the bun and do how you want it. Like piece it how you want it. And then I like to pull down my baby hairs like this. Sometimes I'll pull out these ones up here. Just kind of comb them down if I feel like it. If not, you can slick it totally back. Fix the bumps if you want. Right there. I like it kind of messy looking. Doesn't have to be perfect. And voila, there we go. That's the look. Spray it with some spray. Keep it in place. Spray the back. And you're good to go. This is the look. Super simple, super cute. This look is perfect for like a festival, a rave, wherever, concert. If you just want to chill, if you have nothing else to do to your hair, it's perfect. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I have a vlog coming up. It should be posted within the next few days of our trip to Bodega Bay. So look out for that. And as always, thank you guys so much for your support and your love. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Julian's sleeping in the background.